My job is done? Yeah.
How to control anger?
How to control anger? How many of you think that anger cannot be controlled? Cannot be controlled? Cannot be controlled? 50% can says. Again, it's a myth. Okay? No, seriously. See, there's so many myths in this world. People are all getting used to that anger cannot be controlled. Let me give an example. Can you show anger to the principal of this college? Okay. So what happens is that what happens is that there you're completely controlling anger. Right? But then your younger brother, younger sister will come, all anger goes to the poor guy. Right? So that is anger. Right? So now I proved that anger is controllable. But some people were there who told me, no, principal also I'm going to show my anger. It was a local college. So I said, okay, if a gunda comes, you're going to show your anger? He said, no, I have my own gunda team, we'll go fight head on head. Right? So then that way also. Then after I told, I know he doesn't have a gun. Right? If a guy comes with a gun in front of you, will you show your anger? He said no. Right? So anyone who is more powerful to you, you won't show your anger. Completely anger and control. Whoever is weaker to you, you will show your anger. You can control your anger? You control? Okay, now I'll tell you how anger comes. Okay? When you look about anger, anger is like a pressure cooker. Okay, let's take an example. Everyone is a pressure cooker which is very calm water in it, everything is good. You take this pressure cooker and you put it under a flame. Okay? The flame can be someone calling a bad word, too much wanting of self-respect, leg pain, head pain. You know, some old grandmothers are just angry for no good reason. Right? It is that flame they've been boiling. It could be a leg pain which they are really frustrated, which we don't know. It is some son leaving them which has really hurt them, because that's converted to anger. Anger is generally you have suppressed something along the line using this flame and the whistle comes out. That whistle coming out is anger. Make it very simple. So what happens is you have suppressed something around the line. Like someone calling a bad word, you're suppressed. Again calling, you're suppressed. Again you're suppressed. Your younger brother comes, all the bad words to him. Right? So you can show it to them. My point is to shut down this flame. Don't control your anger. See what is flaming your anger. Right? For example, I always say good example. A husband and wife was there. They're almost going for, because the husband didn't take the wife for a movie, they had a big fight and they decided for divorce. Okay? There's crazy reasons why people go for divorce. Right? You have no idea. Right? The reason which they give is crazy. But then what happens is they went to a psychiatrist, they had a discussion, the psychologist, and they came to know that the first thing the psychologist asked her was, what is the first thing which irritated you when you wake up? So the first point the wife told is that whenever I wake up, when I go to the washroom, my husband doesn't close the cap of the toothpaste. So every morning she goes, cap not closed. Right? Next day, cap not closed. Anger. So she's suppressing, and then slowly, let's go for a movie. She says no, because movie husband and wife have to go. That is when all the anger comes because of that. So the point is, when the suppression happens, he can close the cap, problem solved. Or make the husband close the cap, problem solved. But people don't do that. People suppress it, and then this anger comes up. And the other problem with anger, whoever is closer to the pressure cooker's whistle gets hurt more. Right? So generally be your family. Generally be a close one. And what happened is this close people will start far away. And the funniest part is, outsiders will come, raise the flame, and they will run. Most of the anger, right? Most of the anger is coming from external only. So they come, they raise it up, and they run away. And the family gets hit by the anger. Right? So if a father is very calm in front of his boss and the home is angry, he's controlling it there. Somewhere around he can. Same with mother. There's other frustration which they have. So find out what is creating this. Give the answers to that, the anger will subside on its own. So find out what suppression you have from childhood. It can start from childhood, it can start from school, it can start from college, it can start from various ages of life. But then, if you don't improve it, if you don't understand it, maybe after some time your husband or wife will come to increase the flame. There you might control. Sometimes some people, no, husband, wife also pressure, flame, they have a good fight. I know so many children whose parents are fighting because they are in that flame, which affects their children. And then he builds up this anger. And then he gets married, flame. Right? So that is how. So find out what the flame is. Shut down that flame on your own way. Find the truth, and then that anger goes. Right? Don't try to control anger. If you control anger, you die with a heart attack. Right? That's why most of the men die with heart attack and ladies are okay. Ladies cry it off, relax it off. They transfer it to various friends. I have this problem, that problem. Now the other problem is that everyone transferring their problem to outsiders only. And for outsiders, it's entertainment. Right? They're seeing another TV serials through your family. Right? Don't let that happen. Right? Did I answer the question? Got the answer indirectly? What you're suppressing? Yes, ma'am.
She told how to control ourselves from anger.
Yeah.
How to control anger of the person who is in front of you.
Okay, how to control someone who is in front of you and who is angry, right? Best way is to smile. Right? Right? Okay? That is one point. But that's the one simple way, because they have created the flame somewhere. Okay? Dude, it can be from work, it can be from the surrounding, it can be various reasons they have this flame. If you react to that, you yourself are building another flame. So with two flames, the fire is going to go worse only. Now the other secret, anyone who's angry, put 1 teaspoon of sugar in their mouth, their anger will then and there die. Try this out. Someone is angry, hey, have the sweet, no? Then let's talk. Their anger will stop then and there. That's the other secret of anger. Because your mind is sweet, you can't be angry, right? Now, other thing is, if there's someone very close to you, like your husband, your children, your mother, father, find out from where this anger is coming from. For example, as your friend said, it can be coming from the society. Right? Society pressuring, that anger builds up and they come and hit you. So maybe it's work pressure. Right? Maybe it is, some business failure. Or maybe it is something which he has suppressed along the line. Maybe it's a child issue. So there will be various others which he has suppressed. Have an open conversation. What's happening? Now I've noticed that so many families have stopped doing this. Most of a family discussion during dinner time, what do you talk about? You talk about the government, you talk about world news. No one is talking about their news. Father doesn't know what the son is doing, son doesn't know what the father is doing, mother don't know what frustration mother has, right? So start talking, mama, what issues you have? What is that I'm not seeing? Dad, did you take loan and put me in this college? Because dad's anger is how to pay this loan. And you are having, Papa, I need this new mobile. Right? Don't you think he'll be angry with you? Right? So what you got to find out is what is actually driving this anger to you. There is some truth you don't know about them, and they feel that you're not understanding, so suppress it by anger. So what you got to see is have an open conversation where this anger is coming from. Is it the payment of loan? Is it the other finance? Is this because he got a crazy boss? Right? If it's a crazy boss, you talk to them, okay, whatever issues you have, talk to me. Let that transfer between husband and wife. Let it transfer let that whole family share that energy. So the anger is going to subside automatically. It is when one person keeps, shares only the negative thing, that's where the problem is. Did I answer the question indirectly? Okay, perfect. Go ahead, more questions. Anything and everything. From birth till death. If I've answered the question, my job is done. If time permits, I don't know if ma'am will allow. If there's some personal question, I can personally talk after this time, if there's time, right? That's just your call if you want to do it, right? Other way, you can still communicate me on social media. I'm still there available. You can directly message me and I'm the one who replies, right? You know my name. It's Deek Parshni. You feel free to connect. Feel free to message also if you still have any issues, right? More questions? That's it? Yeah.